Spark Your Fire presents How to Start a Conversation with a Girl on Tinder. In the world of online dating, knowing how to start a conversation with a girl on Tinder is key to making connections. With endless profiles to swipe through, standing out in a girl's inbox can be tough. This video will guide you through how to start a conversation with a girl on Tinder that captivates and engages. We'll explore essential tips to help you break the ice and keep the dialogue going. Whether you're looking to spark interest or improve your chat skills, you'll find valuable insights here. By the end, you'll feel confident and ready to start a conversation that leads to meaningful connections. Let's dive into how to start a conversation with a girl on Tinder and transform your experience. Step 1. Create an engaging profile. Creating an engaging profile is crucial for attracting the right matches on Tinder. Start with clear, recent photos that show your personality. Whether it's hiking, cooking, or traveling, your bio should reflect your interests and humor. A fun fact or quickie hobby will spark curiosity. Avoid cliches like, "I love having fun," and be authentic to stand out. This way, you'll set the stage for meaningful conversations and connections, making it easier when you think about how to start a conversation with a girl on Tinder. Step 2. Start with a unique opener to make a memorable first impression. Start with a unique opener that sets you apart. Avoid generic greetings like "hey" or "what's up." Instead, ask a fun question or playful comment related to her profile. If she loves travel, ask, "If you could teleport anywhere right now, where would you go?" This shows genuine interest and gets her talking. Personalize your opener by referencing her bio or photos. This makes a huge difference when you're learning how to start a conversation with a girl on Tinder. Step 3. Ask open-ended questions. How to start a conversation with a girl on Tinder gets easier when you ask open-ended questions. These encourage her to share more and avoid yes or no answers. Ask, "What's your favorite travel destination?" Or, "What hobbies are you passionate about?" These questions spark engaging discussions and help you learn more about her. Follow up on her responses to show you're genuinely interested. This technique not only deepens the conversation, but also improves your chances when figuring out how to start a conversation. Step 4. Use humor to break the ice. Humor can create a relaxed atmosphere, which is key to how to start a conversation with a girl on Tinder. Share lighthearted jokes or funny stories to make both of you feel comfortable. Be mindful of her responses to gauge whether your humor clicks. Avoid sarcasm or offensive jokes. The goal is to keep the mood fun, so both of you enjoy the conversation. When done right, humor makes your approach more memorable and impactful as you learn how to start a conversation with a girl on Tinder. Step 5. Share something about yourself. It's important to keep the conversation balanced by sharing something about yourself. This helps her get to know you and builds a connection. If she mentions a hobby you enjoy, say, "I love hiking too. I just explored an amazing trail with stunning views." By sharing relevant details, you keep the conversation engaging. Just be concise. Let her share her thoughts too. This exchange builds rapport, which is crucial for those learning how to start a conversation with a girl on Tinder. Step 6. Know when to transition to a date. Knowing when to suggest a date is key to succeeding in how to start a conversation with a girl on Tinder. Look for signs like enthusiasm and shared laughter. When the vibe feels right, suggest a casual meetup based on common interests, like coffee or attending a local event. Respect her comfort level and give her space if needed. A relaxed approach to suggesting a date shows you're thoughtful and considerate, which is vital to making your conversation successful on Tinder. Conclusion. Key points recap. In this video, we explored essential tips for how to start a conversation with a girl on Tinder. From creating an appealing profile to using humor and open-ended questions, these strategies will boost your confidence in online dating. Practice these tips to improve your conversations and increase your chances of making meaningful connections. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, like, and share with friends who could use some Tinder tips. Together, we'll learn how to start a conversation with a girl on Tinder and make every swipe count. Thanks for watching, and happy swiping.